In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add HubSpot to Outlook so you can track emails, manage contacts, and use HubSpot tools directly from your inbox. First, sign in to your HubSpot account. Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then go to General and select Email or Email Integrations depending on your account. Choose Outlook as your email integration and follow the prompt to install the HubSpot Outlook add-in. If you are using Microsoft 365, you'll be redirected to Microsoft App Source to install the HubSpot Sales add-in. Click Get It or Install, then sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, open or restart Outlook. Open a new email or an existing message. Then select the HubSpot icon and sign in to your HubSpot account if needed. After signing in, you can use features like email tracking, email logging, contact information, and CRM tools directly inside Outlook. That's how to add HubSpot to Outlook. Thanks for watching.